Perfect.
Hey you guys, welcome to a Vlogtober vlog. So I just got off of work, came home, ate me a chicken leg real quick, girl, because I was starving. I didn't eat lunch at all. And went and picked up Sunny. We got Sunny right here, girl, with the blonde wig. Girl, I came to pick up Sunny because we are going to go to the Spirit Halloween store. So they just opened the little Spirit Halloween store over here by our house, and we are super excited. You guys know, if you guys watch my channel, you know Halloween is my favorite holiday. Spooky season is it, girl. So we're about to go and see the different stuff they have, the decorations. Hey, girl. And as you can see, we got Decor in the car, okay, barking at the people. So anyway, let's go.
Hi, Ken. Julia. I'm Director of the Howard Business School. But extend from the animals of Black Plague.
Oh my god, look. Spider jumps out at you. Let's say. Ooh. Might get me, depending on how much, it might get me a witch dress. Cause I want a witch dress. Guys, they have some cool stuff in here. Be this for Halloween, y'all. I should be the flaming hot chip. Look at it, girl. Beetlejuice, look, my favorite. There is a whole freaking aisle of Beetlejuice. What? Thank you. Wait. Goodness. Okay. You guys, so we're at Starbucks, of course. I know the lighting is probably really, really bad because, you know, my camera does not work good in dark lighting. But we're at Starbucks before it closed. Oh my God, that's BB in the background, bro. Look, she getting crazy. Every time we go to the drive-thru, she just gets crazy. It's like she wants to talk to them or something, girl. But we're at the drive-thru line at Starbucks, and they have the pumpkin cold brew. The pumpkin cream cold brew, so I had to get that. And Sunny got her usual cookie crumble. So we went to the Halloween store and we didn't really find anything. I normally don't find costumes at the Halloween store because I feel like their costumes are like generic, you know. I feel like you can find better things online, so I just like to go in there and buy like house decoration stuff. But they didn't even have a lot of stuff because she said they just like opened and they're like stocking everything, so we're gonna have to go back. Definitely. But Sunny did find a hat. She bought like one of those steampunk hats. But I don't know if I want to be a witch, or I don't know what I want to be for Halloween. I thought I was gonna do like matching costumes with my husband because he wanted to do like Mortal Kombat or something. But now he's like debating on if he wants to do the Addams Family or something. I'm like, girl, I kind of want to be a witch, but I haven't decided yet. But I need to hurry up because yeah, it's literally Halloween.
Perfect.
Hey guys, so me again, another day looking busted, girl. I just got off of work and I have Sunny. You know, the other day we went to look at Halloween stuff at the spirit store, but we couldn't really find my fall vibe decoration, so we're on the hunt again, girl, before it gets dark. I'm headed to do some like budget Halloween stuff shopping, or like fall shopping, because a few co-workers told me to try Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and what was the other one? Dollar Tree, maybe Family Dollar, 99. Well, in California it's 99-cent store. In Virginia it's Dollar Tree and Dollar General and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna try those things. We're gonna try to find some like fall decorations because my anniversary is not only Halloween and we're having like a dinner in my house, but I'm just like, I'm ready for fall. Okay, we're getting ready for fall. We're getting ready for fall activities, so I need fall decorations. Okay, so that's where we're headed. Okay, you guys, I've never been in a Dollar General before, like ever. So it looks like kind of like a supermarket to me. I don't know. I don't see any fall decorations though. God, I've just been wandering the aisle and my fat ass is out of breath, girl. I need to continue to go to the gym or something because I don't know why I'm out of breath. Why? I'm not doing anything. I'm just walking the aisles. This is the only Halloween stuff I see. I don't see any like decoration type of stuff. Just like costume stuff, not necessarily house stuff. Oh, look at this. This is cute though. I think my stepson would like this. It's cute. But other than that, no like fall dishes or like, you know, fall decorative stuff. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for like fall. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Something like this, I guess, you know. But that is limited as well. So y'all, here we go. Here's some fall things. So we have like some little fake pumpkin displays. But it looks, I don't know, I don't like it. It's not something that I'm looking for like a centerpiece or something like that. I'm specifically looking for like some stuff that I can decorate my bar with, just like really cute centerpiece type of vibe. Maybe some fake fall vines, you know, that I can like put on my door or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I mean. Some candles here. This is nice. I'm looking for like orange, black things, you know, like fall-y colors like this. Look at this. Oh, this is so cute. Like, look. Sweater weather. Super cute. This is cute too. So naturally I didn't find anything, okay, but girl, that place was super overpriced. Sunny bought some like nail polish remover. I bought a Coke, okay, a Coke, and guess how much I paid for it? $2.05 for a Coke. Like, since when is a bottle of Coke $2.05? No. Girl, I'm telling you, this Coke better be the best damn Coke there is for $2.05, girl. Please stop, man. Man, it's nothing like a fresh Coke. So maybe it was worth $2.05. Maybe. So we made it to Dollar Tree. Gearing up to go. And let's pray we can find some like really nice cheap stuff. You guys, they have so much things, and look, they have Christmas stuff right now. Are you serious? Look at this. Look at this Christmas stuff already. Stop, girl, stop. Like, the time is going by too fast. I can't even imagine Christmas gifts and stuff right now. But anyway, they have so many nice fall things. So I'm trying to do kind of like a centerpiece for my wedding anniversary, and I'm looking for something where I could decorate like my bar table. That's gonna be kind of like the centerpiece where we have dinner and stuff. So that's what I'm looking for. This is some of the things that they have, and I don't want like, I kind of want like, I have to put a picture on the screen for you guys because I can't really explain it. I want it to be like kind of gothy with like black long stem candles, but then fall-y at the same time with like pumpkin display and kind of like a centerpiece. I'll put a few examples on the screen so you guys can see, just so you guys can know like that is my project for Halloween for my anniversary. So that's what I'm doing. So far they have a few things that I'm kind of interested in. What is this? Spiderweb cotton. So the first things that I'm kind of like sort of interested in is the little glass. They have some glass jars here. Where are they? Something like this cute little vase to put like the tall candles in. And they also have like a bouquet of like kind of spooky flowers, but I don't know if I should go with the flowers or just the long candles. I'm gonna go to the candle section and see if they have like those black long candles. Guys, last stop. I haven't really found anything that I really need, but now we're at Five Below. Look at this cute pet pajama. They have an extra small. I think I'm gonna get it for the war girl. They got little skeletons on it. It's so cute. So I made it home, and I didn't find any of like the stuff that I really think I need for my centerpiece, except for like the little vases. But since I have like a photographic memory when it comes to stuff like that, now I know I can get the vases at the Dollar Tree, because they have these cute little vases and those cute like candle holders for the tall candles. So mental note, I can go there. I just didn't want to really buy anything yet because I feel like when I go to like places like At Home or like Home Goods, you know, then they'll have better stuff. I just tried to do like a bargain thing, but I guess the bargain thing isn't working out, girl. Not for me. I'm never lucky enough to like find good stuff on the bargain. So to be continued, okay? That'll be part of the next vlog. We'll be continuing to look for the stuff for my centerpiece along with other fall activities. So welcome to the first Vlogtober vlog, you guys. Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what I got before I close this vlog out. So even though I didn't find what I needed to, girl, I did find some cool things. So girl, Five Below had this cute pajama for Dior. Oh my gosh, look, they're like little skeletons. So it's like a little pet pajama, and it was $5. They only had one extra small because she's an extra small. Look how cute! Because I'm trying to find her a Halloween costume, but I think this would suffice if I don't find one. Cute, right? And it's warm because when she gets her haircut, since Dior is from California like me, she gets her haircut and she, like, it gets really, really cold here, so she gets like really, really cold easily. So this would be cute for her to wear, girl. So I got that. And then at the Dollar Tree, I did find some more of these like black mitts because all of my like kitchenware, like hot tools and stuff is black. So I wanted more of these. That you could never have too many of these, period. And of course, my $2.05 Coke, girl. Okay. So anyway, you guys, thank you guys for watching the vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next Vlogtober vlog. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and close this vlog out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get ready for some more fall activities.